Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. So the US war with Iran, which is now entering its third week, has sent shockwaves through global markets and particularly affected energy and equities. Oil prices have surged dramatically as Iran targets shipping and energy infrastructure and effectively shutting down much of the Strait of Hormuz, which about 20% of global oil and gas normally flow through it. Brent crude had repeatedly topped $100 per barrel in the past few days, and this is the highest price since 2022 and rising about 25 to 50% since the conflict started. Now, this energy spike is weighing heavily on the stock market. Equities have been volatile and mostly lower amid fears of prolonged supply disruptions and higher inflation and slower economic growth, all that because of the rising in the oil prices. Now, broader selling has hit cyclical stocks in the past few days, like industrials and airlines, although some energy names have benefited from this conflict. And markets remain on edge as the conflict drags on with no quick resolution in sight. Now, there were some talks about that the US military might actually escort oil tankers through the Strait of Hormuz, but this was denied, even though it was denied by the White House, even though President Trump has signaled that the US Navy could begin escorting ships and oil tankers through the Strait of Hormuz anytime. But nothing has happened as of now. And the Pentagon told the companies or the oil companies that the Strait of Hormuz is not ready and not possible to let the ships to pass through it as of now because of the Iranian threats and attacks that could happen to the ships by the Iranian. Anyway, so in short, I just want to say that the Iran conflict is now the dominant story because it's driving oil prices higher and stocks lower. And also raising the risk of reaccelerating inflation. So we'll see what happens. I hope this doesn't last longer than anticipated. Hopefully, it will get resolved in the next few days or maybe in the next 2 weeks, but we'll see. But this puts so much pressure on the markets and it might cause inflation to reignite if it continues for maybe more than 2 weeks. We'll see what happens. I would keep an eye on the oil prices and watch for any comments from President Trump regarding this war. We'll see what happens, but I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.